How to fix weird line spacing in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way that you can you can manage your content or text in Google Docs properly. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my content, and under this paragraph I have some spacing here. Okay, so just select that paragraph first, and we can go to this option. Okay, and we can use this spacing. Okay, this is line spacing. We can go in custom space, and we can change the paragraph spacing and all from here and apply it. If you still not work on your paragraphs, so there is a another option you can use. What you need to do, just select that. No, first we need to go on extension and go to the add-on and go to the get add-on. Okay, and search here for clear text. Okay, I use this text cleaner, and just open that add-on and install on your Google Docs. After installation, you can find this add-on here under the extension options. Just now we need to select that all text by clicking Ctrl A, or you can select like this by using your mouse. Now go to the extension, go to the text cleaner, and you can use your option as per your requirement. So I can use remove line break, so it will be remove the line break. Also I can use for clean text, or I can use the remove the paragraph break here. Okay, so there is lots of option you can use. I can remove the spacing, remove the tabs. Okay, so you can use as per your requirements. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.